In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front fender liner on your Toyota Tacoma. This will be located in the front fender. Let's get started. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to remove the 3 plastic clips. Ours only has 2. There should be a third right here. Remove the 3 10mm bolts for the splash guard. There's one more on the bottom and the back. Remove the splash guard. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 10mm bolts for the wheel arch. There's one more on the bottom of the wheel arch. Grab the bottom of the wheel arch, pull up. When you pull up, you'll see where the plastic is still holding to the metal. We're going to slide our hand up to that point and pull straight out and pop the clip. Continue doing this around the whole fender. Remove the wheel arch. Using a right angle pick, we're going to remove all of the plastic clips around the fender liner. To do this, we're going to go in the back. There's going to be 2 tabs that we want to push on. Our first tab is in the back. We're going to push on that and pull out. Come to the front, push on it, and you can remove the clip. These 2 tabs that we're trying to push on are right here and on the back side right here. Push on the tab and pull it up slightly. Get this outside of the fender metal and then flop it to the other side, or take your pick, reach over to the other side and push on that tab and pull it out. Repeat this process for all of these plastic clips going around the fender liner. I'm using this fork tool. It's able to push on both of the tabs at the same time, and then I'm able to pull the clip out. Pull back the inner fender liner. Continue removing all of the clips for the inner fender liner. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on the bottom front of the fender liner. We're going to remove the flat blade clip, twist it so it's vertical, Then we're going to pop the clip out. Pop the clip out of place. Remove the inner fender liner. Install the fender liner up and into place. Tuck it into the fender. Install the clips for the fender liner. Push them straight in. There should be 2 more clips, one right here, and one right here. Our tabs are rotted out. There's one more right here. There should be 2 more, one right here, one right here. We're going to tuck the fender liner into the little clip. Install the plastic clip, push it all the way in. Turn it 90 degrees to lock it in place. Install the bolts for the front of the fender liner. Snug them down. Install the front wheel arch. We're going to get the front started. Go around and get all of the clips popped in for the front wheel arch. Install the bolt for the bottom of the wheel arch. Install the bolts going all the way around the wheel arch. There should be one right here, and there should be one more right here. Ours are rotted out. We have one more in the front right here. Install the bolts for the splash guard. Snug them down. Install the plastic clips. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.